List. A list is a type of variable used to store multiple pieces of ordered information. You can think of it as a container that holds a collection of items, which could be numbers, strings, or even other lists. Each item in a list can be accessed using its sequence number, also called an index, starting from 0 for the first item from the left side. Fruits is a variable here, which holds multiple items. Here it's three strings: apple, banana, and cherry. In this, position of apple is 0, banana is 1, and cherry is 2. Note that list always start from 0, not 1. Print fruits of 0, the output is apple. And print fruits of 1, output is banana. Lists are very useful when you want to organize data, store multiple values together, and access them easily in your programs. We will review the methods for creating and manipulating lists and dictionaries. Step 1. Create and manipulate a list. So let's start Python interpreter and start creating a list. So let's create one of the list name host names, which contains our router name R1, R2, R3, and switch 1 and switch 2. So list always enclosed in square bracket. So let's check type of this data type, which is type host names. So it will show what kind of data type it is. So it is a list. Now there is one command, length of list name will give us the length of number of items in it. So it has 5 items, R1, R2, R3, S1, and S2. So let's check how to get an indexing in a list. Suppose you want to access the item at place 1 or 2, then how you'll get that? So host names, it will get by host names, then square bracket, then the sequence number the item is located. So here for first item, as I said, that in theory that the list always start from 0, and if you want to access the last item, then it will be -1, -1, -2, -3, like that from the last, and 0, 1, 2, 3, like that from the left. So host name is equal to 0 is R1. Similarly, host name is equal to 3, let's say it's S1. And let's check from the last item, suppose this S2, and from the last, third last from the last, then it is R3. So let's check now if we want to replace one of the item in the list. So it can be done by host names, then bracket of 0, and the new item name. Suppose I want to replace R1 with RTR1. RTR1. It can be enclosed in single or double inverted commas, so not a problem. And check 0, RTR1. Yes. Similarly, you can delete any of the items. So it can be done by delete host names, and the sequence number of the item you want to delete. Suppose we want to delete the fourth item, which can be 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So it's deleted. So delete host names of fourth. So it should delete the fourth item, that is S1. So now let's check What is our host names at 4? Sorry, 0, 1, 2, 3, third place. Okay, so here it will be not third, 4. See, the Python is giving us error because the fourth item 0, 1, 2, 3, and 4, the last item is deleted. So it is giving the error. So our command executed successfully the delete one. So 3 is S1. Yes.